Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I have some bad news. The Cutlass is not running again. Um, yesterday I came from work and I tried to start it because I haven't turned it on in maybe about a week, and it turned on just fine, but then it stalled. I tried to turn it on like maybe three more times after that, and maybe only like one time it ran for like maybe 5 seconds, and once again it just stalled. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the fuel filter and replace it. Hopefully that fixes the problem, and if it doesn't, then I don't really know what I'm gonna do next, because it was working just fine, but now I don't know what happened. So let's go check it out. But yeah, so we have the Cutlass right there, slightly pulled apart to get the filter out. And so I'll be right back, and we'll continue with the replacement and try to crank it over and see if it turns on. If it turns on, great, fantastic. If it doesn't turn on, then honestly I don't know what else to do. Call the mechanic and let them deal with it. Alright then guys, we're back to the car, and we have the old one here and the new one here, and this is the part number that I'm using, FF1104DL, Duralast fuel filter. And now I'm gonna get right to it. Alright guys, there's a small gasket. It's like that yellowish thing you see around the inner. Watch. Hold on. That one right there. That's a little gasket, and then it goes this spring. Just like that. And then I'm gonna need two hands. I don't think I'll be able to film like this. Okay, I'll just show you after I'm done with it. But let's see. This is gonna go in like this. This is on this the fuel filter only goes in one direction. Not like the band. But you see it has a small hole right there. Like that. Alright, once you get it in, you're gonna be able to screw it in by hand. Just like this. Just like, yep. You're gonna be able to screw it in by hand, and then to unscrew, you're not gonna be able to do that. And then you got this wire, it's not letting me work. Then hold on. Alright, so I got it back all in there, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and snug them up, but I can't film because I only have two hands. Alright, and there it is. So now let's put everything back to the way it was. Put this little thing right there. I literally just forgot. I don't think it's gonna start. there you guys have it. The Cutlass is currently not running. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna get it running somehow. Not today though. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.